Hi friends, good evening to everyone. వెల్కమ్ టు కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఎనలాగ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ AM, FM, PM. డిజిటల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ASK, FSK, PSK, QPSK. మైక్రోవేవ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రేడియో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, microwave frequency. Optical communication, example communication through light. Modulation, the communication system is used to transferring the informations in any form from source to destination via communication channel. It is a process that causes a shift in the range of frequencies of a signal it performs at the transmitting end. The modulation is a process of varying one or more parameters like amplitude, frequency of a periodic wave form called carrier signal. Typically contains the information to be transmitted from sender to receiver. Electronic communication system, analog communication, continuous wave system, amplitude modulation AM, pulse amplitude PAM, quadrature amplitude QM. Analog modulation, phase modulation PM, phase shift keying PSK, differential PSK DPSK, offset PSK OPSK. Frequency modulation FM, frequency SK FSK. Pulse modulation, pulse amplitude modulation PAM, pulse width modulation PWM, pulse position modulation PPM. Digital communication, pulse code modulation, differential PCM, amplitude differential PCM, delta modulation, adaptive delta modulation, delta sigma modulation, pulse density modulation. Need for modulation to reduce antenna length or height. Multiplexing prices. Modulation types, analog modulation, digital modulation. Analog modulation, amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation. Digital modulation, amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying, binary phase shift keying, quadrature amplitude modulation. Analog modulation, modulation is applied continuously, is in response to analog information signal. Digital modulation, an analog carrier signal is modulated by a discrete signal. TX, transmitter, it is an electronic device used in telecommunication to produce radio waves in order to transmit or send data with aid of an antenna. RX, receiver, it is used to receive the data from transmitter and store back to original form. Amplitude modulation, amplitude of the carrier signal is varied according to amplitude of the modulated signal with phase of the carrier fixed. carrier signal Vc of t equals to Vc cos Wc of t, where Wc is the carrier frequency, Vc is the amplitude of carrier signal. Modulation signal Vm of t equals to Vm cos Wm of t, where Wm is the modulating frequency, Vm is the amplitude of modulation signal. Carrier frequency Wc very greater than modulation frequency. AM signal general expression Vam of t equals to Vc of 1 plus Ma cos Wm of t into cos Wc of t, where Ma is the modulation index. Ma equals to Ka into Vm by Vc. Ma lies between 0 to 1. AM wave equals to 14 Ma sin of 2p Fm t into Ec sin of 2p of t. If Ma is 0, unmodulated signal. If Ma equals to 1, 100% modulated signal. If Ma changes from 0 to 1, the power increased by 50%. Bandwidth BW equals to 2Wn. Power of AM PT equals to PC into 1 plus Ma square by 2. If Ma equals to 0, PT equals to PC. If Ma equals to 1, PT equals to 1.5 into PC. Power in lower side band PLSB equals to PC Ma square by 4. Power in upper side band PUSB equals to PC Ma square by 4. Power in side band PSB equals to PLSB plus PUSB. PSB equals to PC Ma square by 2. Efficiency in AM eta equals to Ma square by 2 plus Ma square. If Ma equals to 0, eta equals to 0, PSB equals to 0% and PC equals to 100%. If Ma equals to 1, eta equals to 0.33, PSB equals to 33.3% and PC equals to 66.7%. Current in AM IT equals to IC root over 1 plus MO square by 2. IC equals to independent of Ma. Voltage in AM Vt equals to Vc root over 1 plus Ma square by 2. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో ఇక్కడితో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో చూద్దాము. ఆల్వేస్ బీ హ్యాపీ. బాయ్.